Tiga.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanan Rasti and I am from K9, and today I want to explain and say to you about persuasive speech. Okay, my title is The Universal Language, Why the English Proficiency Experiment. Number 1 is introduction. I stand before the advocate for the skill that has become increasingly the vital our interconnect in the world. Proficiency is the English language as the global lingua franca. English is the serve of the bridge that connect the people for the diverse of the background and the culture, diversity and communication collaboration. And standing on the global scale, I agree you to the recognize the importance of the English proficiency and invest the development of the invaluable skill. For its root is English that we unlock the countless and opportunities and navigate the complexity of our modern world. The body is in the world where the borders becoming the increasingly, the pronouns and the barriers to the communication are rapidly diminishing. The ability to speak English and how to emerge as the prescribed for the success is very many fields, including the business, academia, and diplomacy. English proficiency is open the door to international markets. Enable to access to the wealth of information and resources, and the facility the cross-cultural and communication and collaborative. Whatever you are inspired to pursue a higher education abroad, the secure a job with the multinational corporation, or simply to connect with the people in different parts of the world. Proficiency in English is essential for the advancing your goals and realize your full potential. English proficiency is not just a personal asset, it also the driver of economic growth and social improvement. I studied the conduct by the British Council found the countries with the higher levels of the English proficiency tend the stronger economy and higher level is innovation and the greater opportunities for the social mobility. By the investing in English language education and promoting the English proficiency is among their citizens, country can be position themselves to thrive in the global market and harness the full benefit of the international trade and investment. Okay, the English proficiency is the tool of the promoting the multiple understanding and the holistic global citizenship in the world is characterized by the cultural dimension of the global complexity and the ability to communicate effectively across the linguistic and cultural borders is essential for the building bridges of the understanding and cooperation. English and proficiency is able to individual to engage the people from the different backgrounds in perspective to exchange their ideas and experience and to the work by toward or the common goals. By the promoting English proficiency as the share the language of the communication, we can be shut of the linguistic barrier and connect the transcript, national borders and the cultural divides. Okay, the conclusion is the importance of the English proficiency is the world is cannot be overstated. As the global lingua franca, English serves as the gateway to opportunities and the catalyst for the economic growth and the vehicle for the promoting mutual understanding and cooperation. I agree to the recognize the value of English proficiency and invest the development in this vital skill. The both are the personal the growth and for the collective benefit society as the whole altogether. Let us to embrace the English as the universal language that unites us in shared humanity and empowers us to investigate the complexities of our interconnected worlds. Okay, this is a reference what I found in my PPT, the PowerPoint. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching and listening. I'm sorry if I have a mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.